Hi! Oh, it was under me? Oh.
Be right back.
Okay.
What a gentleman. I didn't hear him.
Neither did I.
He said, I don't know what you said, but I didn't find it funny or something. You hear my voice crack?
Are you reaching puberty?
Finally.
It only took you 17 years. Look at him as he works in his natural habitat.
That's pretty natural, okay?
I'm sorry?
So it's pretty natural and okay.
Oh. He is performing the famous rain dance.
By peeing off the trees.
Oh, I was like peeing off the what?
He's really peeing them off. No, we can't get up.
I'm glad I got that on camera.
Yeah, I am too.
Do you have Wi-Fi?
Me?
Yeah. On your laptop?
Yeah.
Wonder if you can get mobile Wi-Fi. Like, pick it up as you go tomorrow. Because then I can put this on YouTube tomorrow, or today. And then that and the hula hoop.
You're talking about putting this on YouTube on the video.
Uh-huh.
So, on YouTube, it's going to be like, I'm thinking about putting this on YouTube. Well, it's already there. That's a little redundant. Natural born Amish.
Wow, this rain is definitely distorting the picture.
Distorted, fancy. Do you need a bigger axe? No, I can go over that.
Oh, he's gone.